friends. This video is basically a small speech towards the farewell party. I just would like to congratulate all of you because now you are eligible to appear for each semester examination. We have taught you, we have scolded you, we have pampered, we have guided you. Now it is time to give you farewell. Emotional moment for us, all of us. But first of all, you all deserve congratulations. I was asked to say a few words about your class. I taught you probably two subjects, data structure and AI. And on those two subjects, and as a head, I could sense certain things about your class. I could see there are certain students who are academically excellent. There are group of students who are good in sports. Few students are good in management skills, that how to manage events and how to manage faculties and how to manage even class teachers and head. And there are some who are notorious, there are some who are obedient, but one thing which is missing is combination of all. We expect a group of students or students who are good in sports, good in management skill, academically excellence. If you can, then it will be nice for you, for your career. It might be there, maybe I am not able to notice. That may be my flaw. I just wish my students to gain three attributes in their life. That is Bal, Buddhi and Vidya. That is strength, intellectual and knowledge. If you can achieve these three attributes, in any field you go, you will get succeed. So my best wishes for you.
Good evening. There are some moments when speech is less. I connected with you people from when I started my job. So I have seen your grow up from child to the matured person. So the feeling, whatever the mother feel, same feeling today I have, the happiest feeling. Okay, I have seen the growth of you people, and now I feel you become a matured people to face the world. So nothing else I wanted to say, but just wish you all get the flying colors of life and get the grand success of each and every aspects of life. Keep in touch and God bless. Thank you.
Hello my dear friends, I'm very glad to talk to you that there is a very wonderful news that the graduation is near. So an end to sleepless nights, long cram sessions and awful stress of exams. I too can understand. There is a story of a young but earnest Zen student who approached his teacher and asked that I have worked very hard and diligently, and how long it will take for me to complete my graduation. The master said 10 years. Then he said, if I put really very hard work, then the master said, then 20 years. If he says, then I'll put again very hard work, then how long it will take? He said 30 years. The student disappointed and he asked, how come that this is true? The master said, if you have kept only a single eye on your goal, then there is only one single path to follow. So you all must have dreamt of some big dreams and many other dreams. And for that you need to start working from day one, harder and more harder than you have done to complete your graduation. And I am very sure that you will put all your efforts in order to chase your dreams. I had taught you few subjects and it was a very happy time teaching you. This is my appeal to you all that be ready, everything passes, the exam will go on and you will pass well. Graduation is near, be ready to pass the real time challenges, and I am sure all of you will come out in flying colors and bring the name and fame to your alma mater, family and society at large. All the very best and have a great future ahead.
all of you. So finally the day has come to recall the beautiful lines Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. I have taught very few subjects to you, and what I hear about the batch is that it is full of unity, cooperation among peers, with inclusion of some naughty elements also. But I feel that these naughty elements, they make the class very cheerful, so they are a mandatory part of the group. I want to share some excerpt from a very nice book, that is The Secret. The universe emerges from thought. So we are the creators not only of our own destiny but also of the universe. So nothing is there in the world which is not possible or which you can't achieve. There are some of the favorite lines by Muhammad Iqbal. खुद ही को कल बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता दे ये कैसा क्या. I have advice also, very little advice to you people, that you should show respect to all the people, even who do not deserve it. Not as a reflection of their character, but as a reflection of your own character. I have a message to all of you, especially to Shashank, Mehul, Chinmay and Nitin. There is a beautiful goodness in your heart, and goodness is the only investment that never fails. So you can simply, like what I can say, that you can have the dreams of your vision, and like a small child you can put your 100% to make them real. In that case, I can say that there would be no doubt that simply all the dreams would be yours one day. And I'm sure that as an alumni of this college, you people will fetch fame and spread your good fragrance everywhere. May God shower all His grace on you people and your family with all the heartiest wishes for your great future. All the best, and my blessings to all.
Dear students, the roots of education may be bitter, but the fruit is always sweet. And I'm happy that now you are going to taste that sweet fruit. So best of luck for your future. And I've taught you two subjects in your second year only, the BMS and OS. And I know I'll always treasure the memories of many of your students as notorious. Some as good at logic, some at good at programming, some good at bunking the classes, some at managing me. But okay, the memories are always to be kept. And I would like to say you one thing, that always remember that the imagination is worth more than you imagine, and your aspirations are your possibilities. Thank you.
Good evening friends. First of all, I want to congratulate that after a few months you will get the BE degree. Now we have lots of memories together. We have arranged the SEA Olympics 2014-15, updates 2013, and we have done the many industrial visits. And I think since last 2.5 years I have taught you subjects like almost 5 subjects like the OS, CN, WED, .NET and the parallel processing. And at the end I just want to say that all the best for your future. And one thing, that in future whenever we want your some informations like, and when we post okay on FB or any place, you just reply us. Thanks.
Hello friends, good evening all. All of you are in my touch since last 2 years. So I have seen your hard work, your progress, your achievements. So keep it up. Now onwards, you will enter in your new phase of your life. So I just want to say, believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible in the world because the word itself says I am possible. So I wish you all the best for your great future. Thank you.
My dear graduating students, after these 4 years of lectures, labs, and of course bunks, finally you all are successfully compiled. You have successfully compiled from this compiler called GTU. Now it's time for execution. During this execution, you will face many arguments such as challenges and goals. You need to convert these challenges into opportunities, and you have to return with a successful career. My best wishes are always hash included. All the best.
Hi guys, first of all I would like to tell that it's nice to be a mentor of such a obedient and mature students. All the best for your future and do well. Today I am going to share with you some wise words from Mr. Chetan Bhagat that has been told by him in at Symbiosis. That reads, don't have just career oriented goal. Have balanced and successful life. Balanced means health, mental peace and relationships all are in a good order. See, there is no point of getting first or getting promotion on the day of breakup. BMW ride is not enjoyable if your back pains, right? And shopping is not a thing to do if your mind is full of tension. Life is much like a race we used to play in a school where we have to run with a marble in a spoon, kept spoon in a mouth, right? There is no point of getting first if your marble falls. So there is no need to be serious, be sincere. All the best.
I just want you to remember one thing. Beginning is always the hardest. So keep calm and do not give up. And I know you all awesome people are gonna rock it. Stay in touch and enjoy your life to the fullest. Bye bye.
Good evening, one and all. I am very happy that on this occasion I have got chance to speak to my dear students. Actually, there are mixed feelings on this occasion of farewell. On one side, we are sad that the most wonderful days of our life are about to end, and on the other side, there is an excitement for new life and new challenges that lie ahead of us. I am sure that during the past 4 years of your journey in SCAT, you have enjoyed a lot via bunking regular classes, via sitting in the corridor, via sitting in the canteen at home, etc. But now I wish that with the same enthusiasm in the positive way, you take next step in your life. I know that during past 4 years you have studied many subjects and you have acquired good knowledge. But you remember that knowledge is like food. It is not important how much you eat, but it is important that how much you digest. So I wish that wherever you go, you apply your knowledge very effectively and successfully. I congratulate all of you for achieving an important milestone in your life, and I wish that you will achieve many such milestones in your life. All the best.
A very good evening to all my dear students. I just want to say life is like a race. Leave behind all your worries and think positive always. One day you will reach a success and a jug of achievements and a pint of happiness. And yes, I enjoyed a lot with you in a picnic. Thanks a lot for inviting me.
Students are good, but they are not clear with their results. So all the best for all the students, and they will create their successful bright future in a short span. Keep in touch with department whenever support is needed. Although
finally, thanks to third year students for organizing this event and given us the opportunity to speak about our students in this way. Thanks.